Every day, a single factory produces over 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this ancient treasure makes its way from the depths of the Kura salt mines to your table, your spa, or even your home decor? To truly appreciate its journey, we must travel far back to the moment this ancient treasure was formed. Let's go. Imagine this: over 800 million years ago, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth, vast seas covered what is now the Kura region in modern-day Pakistan. As these ancient waters evaporated under the blazing sun, they left behind something extraordinary: layers of salt, untouched and preserved beneath rock and sediment. This salt, rich in natural minerals, remained hidden for eons, waiting to be discovered. Fast forward to 326 BC, when Alexander the Great's army, weary from battle, stumbled upon the Kura region. Legend has it, his horses began licking the ground, salty rocks that revealed an invaluable natural deposit. What the horses uncovered that day wasn't just salt, it was a treasure. And today, we're about to uncover the fascinating journey of Himalayan pink salt. A story of nature's brilliance, human discovery, and its path to becoming a global sensation. Let's dive into the heart of these mines and uncover how this salt is brought to life. Deep in the Himalayan foothills lies a marvel of nature and engineering, the Kura salt mines. Spanning an astonishing 110 square kilometers, these mines are the second largest salt deposits in the world. But this isn't just a story of production. It's a story of craftsmanship, perseverance, and the extraordinary forces of nature that shape this treasure. Imagine walking through tunnels illuminated by the warm, otherworldly glow of salt lamps, with massive salt pillars holding up chambers carved deep into the earth. These tunnels, as ancient as the salt itself, are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. The journey of Himalayan pink salt begins here, where miners and modern-day explorers extract this ancient mineral using a blend of time-honored methods and cutting-edge technology. Carefully, they carve massive chunks of salt from the walls, ensuring the crystals retain their natural integrity. It's not an easy task. These mines plunge as deep as 730 meters, 2,400 feet, below the surface. Every step deeper into the mine is a step back in time, with each extracted rock holding the secrets of Earth's history. Its vibrant pink hue is a mark of its rich mineral content, including potassium, calcium, and iron. But not all salt is created equal. Miners painstakingly select only the finest rocks, those rich in minerals and vibrantly colored, separating them from lesser quality deposits. This meticulous process ensures that only the best salt makes its way from these ancient mines to the modern world. Once extracted, the salt embarks on a journey of transformation. Specialized vehicles and trains navigate the labyrinthine tunnels, hauling these rocks to the surface. From there, they're transported to state-of-the-art processing facilities, like those at Ittifaq Salt, which handles over 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt daily. At the factory, the magic begins. Upon arrival, every salt rock undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. Only those meeting exacting standards for purity and mineral content make it to the next stage. The rocks are then thoroughly cleaned in enclosed systems, where advanced washing and drying machines remove dust and debris from their surfaces. This step is vital. It ensures the salt retains its pristine quality while preparing it for processing.
Salt comes in a variety of colors, randomly fused together. We only select exquisite, best-looking, free from foreign matter salt rocks and carefully transport them to the factory for further processing. We wash the rocks with deep-welled spring water and then move to a confined shredding unit. The utmost care is taken to ensure that the salt does not carry any other matter while shredding. Ahead is the automated drying plant to evaporate the excess humidity and keeps the relative moisture level.
For culinary use, the salt is crushed into fine grains and then sorted by size to create a perfectly uniform product. High-tech optical sorting machines scan every grain, removing impurities and ensuring only the purest, most vibrant salt makes it through. The result? A product that's as flawless as it is flavorful.
It is very tough to inspect the impurities contained inside the salt rocks before breaking into granules. A lot of labor were required to segregate unwanted threads. The high-tech optical color sorter eases the job and assures the material is safe and of optimum quality. Now, we can produce large quantities and ship orders in lesser time.
Packaging is no less critical. The salt is sealed in airtight containers, ranging from glass jars for kitchen use to durable bags for bulk shipments, ensuring it remains fresh and uncontaminated.
The packing hall is isolated and workers are trained to follow food safety guidelines. Here, we pack salt into different packaging, from jumbo bags to retail packs, and these packs goes through the metal detector to ensure the quality. This salt is premium and safe.
From start to end, every process is conscientiously monitored, and each batch marked with a unique identification code to secure the same premium quality every time.
The creation of a salt lamp is a unique process that combines industrial precision with artisanal craftsmanship. Large salt rocks are cut and shaped into lamps using powerful rotating blades and diamond-tipped drill bits. These tools are designed to handle the density and hardness of the salt while maintaining its natural beauty. Once the rough shapes are formed, artisans take over, refining the lamps with hand tools. They smooth the edges, polish the surfaces, and hollow out the center to house a light source. This hollowing process requires precision, as the lamp must balance both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Afterward, the lamps are assembled with care. The lighting components are securely installed, and each lamp undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets safety and performance standards. The final step is packaging. Given their delicate nature, salt lamps are wrapped in protective materials to shield them from damage during transportation. Labels detailing product information, care instructions, and safety guidelines are added, making these lamps ready for retail shelves, wellness centers, and online marketplaces. But Himalayan pink salt isn't just a kitchen staple. Its versatility extends far beyond the dining table. In wellness, it's crafted into therapeutic bath salts and soothing scrubs. As decor, it becomes mesmerizing salt lamps that combine industrial precision with artisanal craftsmanship. The creation of a salt lamp is an art form. Large rocks are cut into shapes using diamond-tipped drill bits and then handed over to artisans for refinement. With care and precision, they smooth edges, polish surfaces, and hollow out spaces to house light bulbs. The result? A glowing masterpiece that purifies air and transforms spaces with its calming, warm light. The journey of Himalayan pink salt from the Kayura mines to your home is an incredible story of craftsmanship and nature's brilliance. But what makes this salt so prized? Is it really healthier than regular salt, or is that just a myth? Let's explore. Himalayan pink salt isn't just a culinary or decorative staple. It's often celebrated as a health-enhancing supermineral. But how much of what you've heard is fact, and how much is simply myth? Let's explore the truth behind its benefits while unraveling the misconceptions. First, the health benefits. Unlike regular table salt, which is processed to remove impurities, and along with them, most of its minerals, Himalayan pink salt is unrefined and naturally rich in essential elements. Packed with 84 trace minerals, it's a nutritional powerhouse. These minerals include calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, each playing vital roles in maintaining health. Calcium builds strong bones and teeth. Potassium keeps your heart healthy and your muscles working. Magnesium powers enzymes and nerve functions. Iron gives you energy and vibrant blood health. One of the most commonly cited benefits of Himalayan pink salt is its ability to improve hydration. This idea stems from the salt's rich mineral content, which is believed to help the body retain fluids and maintain electrolyte balance. For example, after intense exercise or in hot climates, replacing lost electrolytes is essential, and using a natural, minimally processed salt can be a better alternative to synthetic options. However, the key here is balanced salt in any form must be consumed in moderation to support cellular function and proper hydration. Another claim often associated with Himalayan pink salt is its potential to promote pH balance in the body. Supporters argue that its minerals can help neutralize acidity and create a more alkaline environment, reducing inflammation and boosting overall health. While there's limited direct scientific evidence to confirm this, it's true that a diet rich in natural minerals like those found in pink salt can contribute to better pH regulation. Additionally, many users report improved digestion, as Himalayan pink salt is thought to stimulate stomach acid production, aiding in the breakdown of food. But with its growing popularity, myths surrounding Himalayan pink salt have also flourished. One of the most pervasive is the idea that it can detoxify the body. This claim gives the salt almost magical properties, but here's the reality. Detoxification is a process handled by your liver and kidneys. While eating a nutrient-rich diet is vital for supporting these organs, no salt, Himalayan or otherwise, can directly remove toxins from your system. Another misconception is that Himalayan pink salt is lower in sodium than table salt. While it may feel healthier because of its natural origins and mineral content, its chemical makeup is nearly identical to standard table salt. Both types contain comparable levels of sodium, so overconsumption of pink salt can lead to the same health issues, such as high blood pressure. Lastly, while the salt does contain trace minerals, the amounts in a typical serving are too small to deliver significant therapeutic benefits. It's important to appreciate Himalayan pink salt for what it is, a natural and mineral-rich alternative to highly processed salts. So while Himalayan pink salt may not be a miracle cure, it's a naturally rich alternative that adds a little more than just flavor to your life. Himalayan pink salt undoubtedly has its virtues, offering a purer and more natural option for enhancing meals and maintaining essential mineral intake. While its health benefits are well known, Himalayan pink salt also holds a unique place in wellness and spirituality. It's not just about what we consume, it's about how it enhances our environments, rituals, and moments of mindfulness. Let's explore its role beyond the kitchen. Himalayan pink salt isn't just a kitchen or health staple, it's a key player in wellness and spiritual practices, revered for its calming presence and symbolic meanings. One of its most iconic applications is the Himalayan salt lamp. Crafted from large, hollowed-out chunks of salt, these lamps emit a warm, soothing glow when illuminated. Their soft amber light creates an ambiance that many find deeply relaxing, making them popular in meditation rooms, yoga studios, and bedrooms. While some enthusiasts claim these lamps release negative ions that purify the air and enhance well-being, scientific evidence for these claims is limited. But their real magic lies in the tranquil, inviting atmosphere they create, a feature that has earned them a cherished spot in homes worldwide. Himalayan salt baths are another celebrated use, offering a blend of relaxation and rejuvenation. When dissolved in warm water, the salt's rich mineral content, calcium, magnesium, and potassium works wonders on the skin. These baths are believed to draw out impurities, ease sore muscles, and hydrate dry or irritated skin, leaving it soft and refreshed. For a more invigorating experience, Himalayan salt scrubs are popular for exfoliation. With their coarse texture, they gently remove dead skin cells, revealing a healthy, radiant complexion. Often combined with oils like coconut or almond, these scrubs don't just cleanse, they nourish, offering both physical and sensory indulgence. In the realm of spirituality, Himalayan pink salt carries symbolic significance. Many practitioners use it for cleansing and protection rituals, believing it can help clear negative energy and restore harmony. For instance, sprinkling Himalayan salt around a room or incorporating it into a smudging ceremony with sage is thought to create a barrier against negativity and invite balance. Bowls of salt placed in a home are said to absorb stagnant energy, purifying the environment and fostering a sense of renewal. Even for those who may not subscribe to these spiritual beliefs, the act of engaging in such rituals offers its own benefits. These practices encourage mindfulness, allowing individuals to pause, reflect, and set intentions. Whether it's through a salt bath, a glowing lamp, or a cleansing ritual, Himalayan pink salt serves as a bridge between the physical and emotional, blending wellness with a touch of the mystical. From promoting relaxation and skincare to fostering mindfulness, Himalayan pink salt goes beyond the tangible. It offers an experience, one that connects us to the natural world while helping us find balance in our modern lives. So, the next time you sprinkle Himalayan pink salt over your favorite dish, soak in a bath enriched with its minerals, or bask in the warm glow of a salt lamp, pause for a moment. Think about the incredible journey this salt has taken from the ancient depths of the Kura salt mines to your home. It's not just a product, it's a story of Earth's history, a legacy of nature's artistry, and a timeless gift connecting us to something far greater. If you enjoyed this journey as much as we did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating stories like this. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.